Hey, how's it going? So you may be sitting on your couch thinking, I want to get out of the house. The winter seems longer this year. We've had more cold days than we usually do. That's how it is for us. And I know some people are wondering, should they start camping? We're going to discuss the pros and cons on if you should start camping in 2025, and we'll let you be the judge of that. Camping does have its advantages, and it also has its disadvantages. One of the good things about camping is you can kind of go at your own pace. You can set up your campsite however you want. You can change it up every time you go. On the flip side, you can't just walk into the campground and throw your things on the bed and call it a day unless you get a cabin or you're glamping somewhere. Some people think that camping consists of no electricity, no water, no bathrooms, no showers, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Many campgrounds have all those amenities. Now, while some tent spots don't have them, you can book an RV site with a tent in most state parks. That will give you electricity and running water. Basically, you just need to decide, is the camping lifestyle something you want to dabble in, something you want to explore, or something you want to jump in head first? If you and your family or anyone else wants to go out of town and get a hotel room, you can just go, you can relax, you can plan around your hotel stay. So another good thing about camping is you can go and explore nature. You can see what the campground is all about. You can see what the area is like. You'll go places that you've never been before. You may never get to go back to. And that offers a sense of adventure all its own. So you can think about getting a travel trailer or camper like we have. You could get a tent. There's tents small enough for one person, big enough for 20 people. It's however you want to go. Prepping your own meals, coming up with your own ideas for food is really fun. It's not going to the local fast food restaurant and getting the same old burger or tacos that you could get down the road from your house. You can incorporate your family into these kind of dinners and make it a memorable experience. If you really love nature or exploring, camping is definitely the ideal thing to do. Plus, many campgrounds offer rates that are a lot cheaper than hotels, and you get to decide where you want to stay for the most part. When you show up at a hotel, they're just like, you're on the 37th floor, or you're in the basement floor underneath the big loud bachelor party. With camping, you may run into somebody that is a little loud at their campsite. They're just out having fun. 9 times out of 10, you usually don't have to deal with loud camping neighbors. If you have children, both of them have the advantages. Traveling and not camping, you can still go and explore and take the kids to a museum or go see a play, maybe some kind of concert. But you can also do the same with camping. You can also go to museums. You can explore. You can go to concerts. It comes down to you and what you are comfortable with. Are you interested in sleeping outside in some kind of material or a box on wheels? Would you rather stay in a brick and mortar place? Would you rather do the Airbnb and have to worry if someone is filming you while you're Airbnb-ing? We are definitely strong advocates for camping and exploring nature and getting outdoors. However, I do still love staying at places where I'm not pulling the camper or pitching a tent.